the oldest coughs return. There's phlegm in the chest and mucus. After drinking this, lick it every 10 minutes until you eat or drink. Dr. Winter has begun. Every winter, the oldest coughs return. There's phlegm in the chest and mucus. What should we do? No problem, my brothers, my sisters. You need to take one lemon, a lemon, not mace, a lemon. You know, for a yellow one, that this is absolutely the best way. Roast it until its peel turns brown, or roast it on a low gas flame that turn it so it browns on all sides. After that, cut it and extract its juice approximately. Take 10 ml, extract its juice, add in 10 ml, mix 5 ml of honey and about 2 grams of black salt. Mix it well and lick it. Whenever you lick it, be done with all food and drink. Take a cup of piping hot water. After drinking it, lick this every 10 minutes until you eat or drink nothing except licking this. Do this for 3 days for even the oldest cough.